Hey everyone, Matt with Rumbuilder back here in Oklahoma at Redneck Off-Road Heaven for another race. Got the car put together last week actually, so I wasn't actually rushing to get here. So we're going to try to see if we've fixed all the issues, and we're going to go have some fun and see if I can crack off a better time than last time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. That was bad. Okay, so my first run was awful. The first one I was going way faster than I could drive. So we're gonna try this again. Ow. I'm gonna try this again. We're gonna try this again, and we're gonna try to practice some self-control. I don't have very much self-control. Thank you. 107.8 plus 2 penalties, so that sucked. Let's hot lap it. I'm gonna do a second lap.
But with no penalties. Yes.
Flame's good.
107.6 with no penalties. It's the best I've done so far. I'm gonna let the car cool a little bit and relax. That was fun. That's how the other one should have gone. You know, the ones that I totally screwed up. Whew. Well, there it is. I've done a lot of damage to the face of this planet. I got so much dirt. Whew. So tired. Hi everyone. Hey, I forgot to shoot an outro while I was there, and I just got home, and I gotta just unloaded the car, and I just gotta run the trailer back over to my friend David's house. Which, thanks for letting me use the trailer, David. Couldn't do this without that. Me and the car, we survived today. The car got run a lot, and you know, I didn't do a lot of the stuff I normally do in the middle. This was just so busy racing. I learned a couple things moving forward. From this point on, I'm gonna gut the car. I need to get some weight out of it, get a little bit less weight. It's a heavy car compared to the guys I'm racing against. Another thing that I had no idea was gonna be a big deal. These mirrors cost me like 5 penalties today. I kept hitting pylons with them. I mean, I would have made the turn perfect, but it just like it jumps out and it grabs the pylon. So off with those. Mirrors are going away. Like I said, interior gonna be gutted. The exhaust has seen better days. In the first race video, I talked about I thought I was gonna lose my exhaust. Well, I didn't that time. I didn't this time, but it's getting close. It's gonna fall off. So I'm gonna ditch the exhaust completely. Go with maybe an off-road X pipe and some turnouts. I mean, it's more fun when it's loud, right? Other than that, I'm I mean, it made it home. It still drives, it still runs, and I'm happy as I can be. This is the best $1,000 race car I've ever had. So until next time, guys, enjoy the footage from today. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff. I'm not stopping. This is gonna keep going. I'm obsessed with rally racing. I just need to get good. Till next time, build something yourself. Don't let me have all the fun.